Have you ever noticed how people who don't really know what they're talking about love to hit you with facts, but they don't normally understand what the fact means? Politics is a good example, but electronics is almost as bad. Audiophiles.
Actually, many audiophiles avoid tone controls because they believe in preserving the purity of the audio signal. Here are a few key reasons why they steer clear of them. Signal integrity. Every adjustment made with tone controls introduces additional circuitry which can degrade the signal and reduce overall sound clarity. For audiophile, often prefer a direct, unaltered path from the source to the speakers. Coloration, distortion. Tone controls can subtly alter the original recording, adding unnatural coloration or even minor distortion. Many enthusiasts prefer to experience music exactly as the artist or sound engineer intended. High-quality equipment design. Some premium audiophile gear, such as high-end amplifiers from brands like Past Labs or Name, deliberately omit tone controls to minimize interference with the audio signal. Stream acoustics. Speaker placement. Instead of adjusting bass or treble artificially, audio fine-tune their listening environment with better speaker placement. Acoustic treatment and high-quality components. Philosophical preference. Some audiophiles follow a less is more approach, believing that a well-designed system shouldn't need extra adjustments like EQ or tone controls.
Well, people who just want to try and be one-up. Example of that, EQ. You're talking to somebody about an amplifier and they say, oh, of course, if audiophiles don't have tone controls, it's all set up. Or they're talking about tapes. Oh, you have to put the correct EQ for the correct type of tape. Or they're talking about record players. Oh, well, the EQ on there is set with records. You have to have it set correctly because of the way that it's all set up. And at the end of the day, you think, well, hang on, what is EQ? Well, I'll tell you what EQ is. It's tone controls. So never mind that audiophiles don't have tone controls. Of course they do. They just don't have the ability to adjust them. I guess it's because they're too finicky and they wouldn't know what to do with them. So the manufacturers put them in automatically and you can't get to them to change them. I'll tell you what EQ is. According to Wikipedia, equalization, or simply EQ, in sound recording and reproduction is the process of adjusting the volume of different frequency bands with an audio signal. The circuit or equipment used to achieve this is called an equalizer. So you have an equalizer circuit, you have an EQ circuit, the whole thing, it all works in one way. And on a cassette deck, you have the switch. On the record player, it's already built into the cartridge or into the preamp. And with everything else, well, it's not. Have you seen how many stuff nowadays has got preset EQ? You step through the menu and there's an EQ setting for everything. Who says they don't exist? Don't get confused. Get even.